Smells good. What's in the fire?
Salmon?
Of course.
Sit. Eat. We'll need our strength. Admit it, my salmon was better than yours.
Only because it was fresh. You're nervous.
Earlier today, I performed the same rituals I always do before a battle. Donned my armor, meditated, even wrote the death poem.
You and your poetry.
None of it helped. I still feel the Oni's grip around my neck.
Well, I'm no samurai. But I have my own ritual of sorts. I like to make a fire and breathe in the smoke. And remember what it was like being pinned to that tree. And how I didn't die. Because I freed myself. That grip around your neck. It'll keep you alive. Let's go. Before the storm hits. We should expect more guards this time.
I only hope the Oni didn't punish the Matsumai prisoners after our previous attempt.
He needs them to rebuild Saito's castle. Over there. We can use that rock to go ashore.
I don't see any mining equipment. We should have brought Madgoro with us to make sure he was telling the truth.
Missing your new friend?
He's endearing, in his own way. That's a long way up. Do you think the Oni has any idea there's a mine hidden beneath his feet?
If he did, he'd find a way to exploit it.
The amount of lumber and metal and blood he stripped from this land. I wonder if Ishikari Plain will ever recover.
It'll be scarred. But you'd be surprised what nature can overcome.
Meaning?
Our family ginkgo tree. It's sprouting leaves. An old campfire.
Madgoro's?
Seems likely. Look, Oni Raider oil.
And a torch. Nice of him to leave behind something useful. I'll light the way. Or you could slip.
I'm not so clumsy.
This place does have a smell to it.
Musty. Like wet clothes. Jubei, look there. We can crawl through. Just watch where you put that torch.
Come on. I can see an exit.
It's a tight squeeze.
Keep moving forward. You're almost there. Atsu, look. Support beams. I think we found the mine.
Dead miners. They've been here a while.
Looks like they were trapped in a cave-in. Through here! Veins of ore. I'll never forget the first time Father created steel from a hole in the ground. It was like magic.
In another life, I might have followed in his footsteps.
You still could.
A master swordsmith must be steady, patient. I'm too restless.
People change. You may not always want to wander. Well, we now know where the smell's coming from.
Rotting bamboo. It won't hold our weight.
Over here. I'll boost you up. How did Mad Goro get through here?
Probably fell on his ass, then his face. Or the other way around. I'll find you another way.
Careful, Atsu.
I think I see a weak point. If I break this, I can pull you up. Take my hand. You've been eating too much salmon.
It's muscle. Come on, this way. What do you think Father would say if you could see us now?
Of you, he'd be proud. But me... I'm not sure he'd understand.
Atsu, I know you see yourself as an Onryo, and people talk of this ghost who killed the snake. Some of these rumors are true. But what I find most amazing is the girl I remember, my sister, is still in there.
Feel that breeze?
There must be an exit nearby. Fresh air. Finally.
This way.
What's the plan once we get inside the castle?
Jubei, I know you want to free the Matsumae, but if we get pinned down, the Oni could react.
They could help us.
We'll see once we're inside.
Thank you, Atsu.
Big jump ahead.
This is not a real path. Almost at the castle.
Keep an eye out for guards.
We've been working there for days. I need some air. I can't take the smell anymore. If the foreman comes down, I'm not gonna Building materials for repairing the castle's foundations.
We're close. Be ready.
Faster! These repairs are taking too long. Lee is not pleased.
Then he can do the work himself.
What did you say? Nothing. If you you are not working hard enough, you'll receive 10 lashes after your shifts. No. Now it's 20. Get back to work!
Castle should have been done by now.
Hey, intruder!
You're the ones who went after the Oni.
I hope we didn't make things worse for you.
It was the first time we felt hope in months. The Oni raiders do everything they can to make us forget we are samurai.
But you haven't forgotten.
Never.
Then pick up a sword.
Today you leave Ishikari Castle for Clan Matsumai.
Clan Matsumai.
Jubei, help me with the door.
When these doors open, stay behind us. We will clear a path. The Oni raiders treated you worse than animals. Reclaim your honor with their blood.
Attack! I say so! We are escaping! Come! Call for reinforcements! With us! Fight!
We're almost there!
Don't fall behind! We need to spread out. Hit them all at once. Pick up weapons as you find them.
Push!
Charge!
Take the jumping!
Keep pushing forward! Don't let them reach the surface!
Death to the Oni raiders!
To the king! Stay together!
main courtyard is behind those doors. Juve, with me! Ready?
Pull!
The Oni should be in the keep.
Right behind you!
My lord! The other prisoners!
Go. They need you.
Come with me.
You are the samurai. I am something else. This is the way it should be.
We are our father's twin wolves.
No one can take that from us.
You will go no further, little stray. First, humiliate me in the ring. Then, free my prisoner.
I was hoping you'd show your face, Kanta. This time I'll hurt more than your pride. That's for how you treated your prisoners.
I was a hero on the mainland.
You gutted my father.
He defied Lord Saito.
Then you tried to burn me alive.
Do you think I enjoy setting fire to children? I am a general, a war hero. I should be on a battlefield, not repairing this rotting and molding castle for someone else. But I must do as my lord commands.
The demon of Ishikari Plain, blaming everyone but himself. What would your men say if they could hear you now?
Draw your sword. scared little girl. Your father deserved to die. He was disloyal.
He was loyal to his family. Family.
Pin you to that damn tree again and make your brother watch. Lord Saito's greatest general.
They may call you Oni. You're just a bitter old man. I avenge my father.
He is a rotting corpse. Nothing will change that.
Crawl.
All is dead.
You are no warrior.
Only radar reinforcements. We need to go. It's over.
For the Oni.
You'll continue the hunt. I need to report to Clan Matsumai High Command. But once that's done, will I find you at home?
If you want to.
I will do whatever it takes to bring our family peace. You are not alone, Atsu.
Neither are you.
I better get back.
See you around, brother.
You took your time coming home.
Someone with a grudge is picking off members of our old gang. Not exactly something to rush back to.
So you were afraid?
Forgive us, Father. There is no excuse.
You are my sons. The dragon and the spider. Your actions, or in this case inaction, reflects upon me.
Our mission was a success. We are one step closer to achieving our vision for the North.
His vision.
Maybe if you weren't blind drunk all the time, you'd manage a vision of your own. Then again, maybe not. Come. We have much to prepare for.
The Oni is gone, Father. Your twin wolves are together again. The Kitsune is still out there, in Teshio Ridge. You can almost tell this one's me.
Bartering for goods. Kakema, I'm open to all kinds of barter. Safe travels.
Where do monsters like the old...
Arm yourself. Buy a bow.